Matt Reynolds, editor of Packaging World magazine, back with another episode of Technology Minute. I'm here today with Matt Wheatley, purchasing manager at Frain Industries. Today we'll be discussing how Frain is helping change the delivery model on getting new equipment to manufacturers. So let's dive right in. Matt, how is Frain doing this, changing that equipment delivery model?
Oh, great question, Matt. Basically, we've really gone out and we've partnered with over 65 different equipment manufacturers. What we do is we go out and we buy equipment and we have it readily available in our rental fleet for our customers. What this does is really gives them a competitive edge by getting equipment in and on their floor quicker. And that way they're able to get their projects out the door faster or get started with their projects quicker. We've brought in over 7,500 different machines now and over 100 different categories on both sides of packaging and processing.
You mentioned that customers can get new machinery without having to wait those long lead times. How quickly can you get new equipment to your customers?
It all really depends on what the customers need. We're able to get processing machinery out the door in as quick as 48 hours. Packaging machinery can be ready within a week, tested with their product. It's completely turnkey, ready to go. So there's nothing they need to do once it's on their floor. And we can also get complete lines done in about 6 weeks, really depending on the complexity of that project.
You also mentioned a rental program. Can you explain a little bit more about that?
Of course, our rental program is there to be a gap solution so our customers can get their production lines running while they're waiting for their new equipment to be built. We're essentially waiting their long lead time so they don't have to. The program is really there to help our customers determine, what machines they're going to end up needing. This really helps them determine by renting if this is going to be the right production outcome for them. It also helps them alleviate any capital constraints with budgets tightening. This also allows the company to continue generating income while they're waiting for their solution to be completed.
I see there's really a benefit of rental equipment. Not only would customers not have to wait those usual long lead times, but also in mitigating capital expenditures. Is there anything else that you'd like to add before we wrap up?
Yeah, absolutely. I believe it's critical for businesses really to evaluate their equipment needs and considering the advantage of the rental. This really provides them with a stable solution that they can adapt to their market conditions and allow them to remain agile in a competitive landscape. Freight Industries is here to support their businesses in a wide range of equipment options. Our experts are here to help them and tailor the specific equipment needs for their project.
Thanks so much, Matt, for sharing your insights on how Frain is changing the equipment delivery model and reducing capital expenditures. It was enlightening.
Oh, my pleasure, Matt. Thank you for having me.
All right, well, thanks to Matt, and thanks to everybody watching and listening. We hope you found this discussion informative. So until next time, this is Matt Reynolds with Packaging World's Technology Minute.